Hey everyone again, so we have problem 1. So we have a normal distributed data with a mean value of 40 volts and standard deviation of 2.3. So first thing, plot it. So we will do that. And then determine the percentage of parts that will be less than 32 volts. How many percent of our parts is less than 32 volts? And then how many of them is between 32 and the 34? This is the range that we will look for, and then determine the significance level for second and the third part. This is the question. So let's try to solve it. So it is mu value is 40, the standard deviation is 2.3. Okay, so first we have to plot it. So this will be a general standard, a normal distribution. So my mu value is here. Okay, and then as I told you, so we will have the 1 sigma here and 1 sigma here. So it will be that 40 plus 2.3. So it means that 42.3. So this one is 1 sigma. Similarly here, 40 minus 2.3, it makes 37.7. Sorry guys for this problem. So this one is 1 sigma, 1 sigma. So if you remember, the percentage was 68 point, let me check one more time, 68.26%. That was the percentage for 1 sigma and then 1 sigma. Okay, then next is here. So I will go 2.3 again and 2.3 again. So it will be that 44.6, and then here it will be that 5.4, and again 2.3 here. So it will be that 32.1, and this one will be that 46.9. So as I told you that 3 sigma here, so 3 sigma here, and then 3 sigma here. If you remember, we said that it covers 99.73% of our products. Therefore, we can end up here. No need to look for 4 sigma. So it will be something like this one. So it will be to this part and then to this part. Okay, this is the first one. The second part says that we have to determine the parts that is less than 32 watts. So to do that, I will use Excel. So part 2. And then Excel, I will use the normal distribution. So it will give me the parts that is less than 32. So I will look for 32 with a mean value of 40 and then standard deviation of 2.3, and then here I will have the true, and this will be the part 2. And then part 3, it says that look for between 34 and the 32%. So it will be that normal distribution, and then I will have the 34, 42.3, and then true, minus again normal distribution, I will have it, and then I will have the 32, 42.3, and then true. So again it will be a minus sign, minus. So this one minus that one will be the part 2, and the last part is the significance level. So if I call this one the result as C2, if I call this result as C3, and the part 3 will be that alpha 2, which is the significance level for part 2, will be 1 minus C2, and then alpha 3 again will be 1 minus C3. So let's do this example in Excel and solve it, and then I will move on to a next example. So let me just go to Excel. Okay, let's start a okay, and then we have the mu value of 40, and then we have the standard deviation of 2.3, and then we are looking for parts that is less than 32. So I'll say that I will call it this one as x and this one is 32. Okay, then it will be that the normal distribution it will be the normal distribution, the x value which is 32, the mean value 40, the standard deviation 2.3, and then true. Okay, it shows that it is 0.00 something, and that one, what it means is that, so the result here is 0.025%, which is a very low number. Similarly here. So part C3 is that look for the parts that's between 34 and 32. So let me just do this formula. I will just write the same formula, but here instead of 32 I will have the 34. So let's do that. So I will have the normal distribution, the x value is 34, the mean value is 40, the standard deviation is 2.3, and then true. This is up to 34 and this is up to 32, but it says in the range in between, so just this one minus that one. It means that it will be 0.4%. So it is 0.429%. So what it means is that I am 0.4% sure, certain, or confident. So I am 0.4, sorry guys, this percent sure, or you can say that confident, that my x values are lying between 32 and 34. So my measurements are between 32 and then 34. This is what it means. Okay, this is for this problem. So I have next problem that I will solve in the next video.